All right, guys, so welcome back to Home on the Hitch. We are at the Hershey RV Show 2024, and we are here. We're going to be touring a new floor plan by SPORTTREK Touring, and it's the 292 VRB, and we are kind of impressed with it. So come with us and take a look at this awesome RV. All right,
All right, so let's come take a look at this really cute couples travel trailer.
Yeah, let's go.
So it has this outdoor kitchen right by the door. I like that. TV.
Yep. Nice little fridge. Pretty
Griddle.
standard outdoor kitchen.
Yeah,
and
no,
the
this is good.
sink and the griddles on the sides. Let's go inside. We'll start there. It's got the step above steps.
So this is a 4-season rated trailer.
Yep, I believe it is Asdell sidewalls. As you step in, you're going to see that you have SPORTTREK's version. They've got a Bluetooth control panel here with an app, so you can control your slides, awnings, all that stuff from this panel or from your telephone with their app. So kind of coat right there.
Right, so this is kind of a cute little mudroom area because that you have a place to hang your things, but then it has this ginormous closet when you come in the door that you can store all kinds of good stuff.
Huge and deep. Like I could fit in there easy.
So then you walk into this spacious living area. You have a fireplace with some storage. You have reclinable and heated seats.
I like that. So those are really nice Thomas Paine seats. Way nicer than what we've got.
Right. You do have a dinette style kitchen area with some storage underneath, of course. It does have blackout shades, which we say is a must in an RV.
Oh, absolutely.
I do like this corner kitchen area. It does have lots of counter space. This is a nice solid countertop also.
I like the sink fixtures.
The storage space underneath is a little awkward,
That's a little
but
questionable, yeah.
sometimes that's expected.
Got a nice Furrion oven and cooktop.
Yes, it is the smaller version, which is nice. Has lots of big storage for your food.
So Furrion 12-volt refrigerator that's got, like, you know.
Well, this is an adequate size refrigerator.
You know, it's a smaller size, but it will do. You could even full time with that pretty easily.
Like I said, for 2 people, that you can hold plenty of food. I do love this rear bathroom. It is very large. This is kind of an airplane style, sink vanity area.
Got a nice shower. Lost
my chocolate. Glass doors.
Yeah.
That's a pretty big shower that Thomas would be able to fit in.
Oh,
it
absolutely.
has
It's got a skylight. Doesn't really have the standard shower tower now that's in everything, but that's okay.
It is washer dryer prep for a combo unit.
There's a big counter there to fold on.
You can fold and this cabinetry is crazy. Look at how huge this pass-through storage area is. This is one huge area. So you could really, really hold a lot.
So you got your fireplace down here. Nice Suite TV. Little cabinet there. A lot of storage space in this. And a big pot and pan drawer down there underneath the refrigerator.
But check out this bedroom. It is so cozy, and it's actually kind of romantic for a travel trailer. I mean, who would think? This bed, you can do a king option. It is an east-west bed. I like that they have the shelves above with outlets and USB. Over the bed storage. But check out.
That's an enormous window seat there.
Look at this. What a wonderful little nook to hang out and enjoy the park or an afternoon. It has outlets in here and
there's
plus little cubbies
back,
for your books or your phone or whatever.
You got hanging storage there.
You can put a few plants in the window if you like.
It's a whole storage area up front. No, those aren't soft clothes. Those are old-fashioned catch drawers, but that's okay.
Yeah, but this is great for, if you have a family with small children, you want your grandchild to sleep in here with you also.
Nice cabinetry.
I love the little fireplace in the bedroom.
Yeah. Storage there. Got shades, did you say? Yeah, it's up there. I just can't feel it. There it is. Yeah. So a few things to note. Comes with Goodyear tires. It does have Asdell sidewalls on board. 71-inch slide height, 82-inch ceiling height inside, 5/8 plywood tongue and groove floor, which is super important. We've had a lot of issues with our composite floor. 50 amp service with washer dryer prep. Full-time RV living approved, which that's important for your insurance if you're going to be doing full-time living. And it's got the BAL power stabilizer jacks. They have independent motors. It is not auto leveling, but they do have independent motors on each jack. So let's step outside and see what this rig's got going for it on the outside. So like I said, it's got the step above steps. I really like that large grab handle right there. It's really nice. So it comes with the E-rated Goodyear Endurance. Now I'm kind of disappointed there. It's got a little bit thicker shackle on there, but it doesn't have any upgraded equalizer. If you're going to put that kind of tire on there and the shackles, go ahead and change the equalizer. Now look, it's got a giant rack and pinion. Rack and pinion. Slide, Suburban tankless water heater, which is nice. This would be under the bed storage, right?
Correct.
It is a busier day here. It is a public day here at the show, so there's a lot of conversation going on. So not only does this rig come with a TPMS system, it comes with a Level Mate Pro already installed, I believe, and you can, so that we have that on ours aftermarket installed. So it is pretty easy to set up and level with the Level Mate Pro app at a campsite. It makes it pretty easy.
Just make sure you keep spare batteries on hand.
That's true. So yet another, look at this, yet another style. Actually, I like that better than the other one.
Oh yeah, because that ain't nothing but your own fault if
right.
you don't get that screwed on.
Who's coming up with these? I like that. Who makes that? That's a Flame King. So it's got the BAL power tongue jack right here. Big foot on that. Big foot on that.
I like that.
There's the other side of the storage, and that other slide is big rack and pinion slide as well. Big fan of just the old-fashioned rack and pinion slide. I know they're heavy, but I think they're worth it because it's the best system out there. It's not a whole lot other than a motor that can brake on it. Looking on the back, pretty clean. Got your ladder up to the roof, prepped for RV backup camera, and got a nice hitch in the back. So on this side, you got your connection for your sewer and everything. The low point drains over here. Got your black tank flush and the docking station for everything will be in there. It's locked. You can't get to it right now. There's your 50 amp hookup. So yeah, standard bumper with standard bumper end caps. So yet again, another new floor plan here on Home on the Hitch at the 2024 Hershey RV show. Like I said, this is the SPORTTREK Touring by Venture RV 292 VRB, and she is a beauty. Show price here is $48,803. So really do like that. Mel likes the bedroom.
I do. I like it.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Take care of each other.
Love each other.
Make every moment count.